welcome in your house.
Yes,
Yun
yes,
yung ano sabi
yes. I told already my children about that beforehand. Sabi ko, beforehand, I have been saying to them that if that is also his choice. It's not my choice. Oh, kung gusto niya doon sa bahay ko, okay lang.
Oh, that's really nice.
Oh, yeah, no strings attached, no nothing.
Miss Elizabeth Zimmerman, nagbigay po uli ng update at pahayag regarding po sa pagbisita niya muli kay former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Pero bago po ang lahat, gusto ko muna po kayong batiin. Nandito po tayo uli sa Boy Opinion TV. Lahat po ng inyong opinion at komento ay welcome po sa ating YouTube channel. Magandang araw Pilipinas at sa lahat ng Pilipino saan man sa mundo. Marami pong salamat sa ating mga manonood, sa ating mga subscriber. At kung kayo po ay hindi pa nagsusubscribe, please po, pakisubscribe naman. Salamat po. Kagaya nga po ng aking nasabi, nagbigay po muli ng update at pahayag si Miss Elizabeth Zimmerman. Kaugnay nga po niyan sa pagbisita niya muli kay former President Rodrigo Duterte. May mga nasabi po siya tungkol sa last wish niya po. At yung pong sa sinabi niya kung yung po, tayo po lahat mapapasana all na lang, no? Pero no string attached po, no? Ito po, panoorin po natin.
Good afternoon, Ma'am Elizabeth.
Good afternoon to everyone.
How are you today, ma'am?
I am fine, thank you. I have seen him, and we talked, and I was with my granddaughter, Bella. So we talked about his father, and also mundane things about Davao. Ask about how is Davao, how is Abaste, how is Paulo. So that's it.
Ma'am, yesterday the Vice President made mention about her position about pro-cremation. What's your position, ma'am, if you mind me asking?
If I am
pro or against?
Yeah. If I am to be if hindi ba na ako mag-decide, no? If it is my decision, I would follow whatever his decision is. So if he wants to be cremated, that's what also one of the discussion we had. If he wants to be cremated, then so be it. Yeah.
Well, ma'am, was the former president really happy to see the granddaughter Bella?
Yes, and he asked, whose child is that? Sabi ko kay Baste. Baste. And I asked him, what would be your message to the people outside? If it is his destiny to be here, then so be it. No, he has no apologies, no regrets, and that's it. He's accepting it already, and that's why we talk about the cremation. So I said, okay. If that is your decision, so I'll follow his decision. But if it is it's the children's decision, I cannot say that. Yeah.
May question kayo, guys?
Question ko lang, ma'am, kay Mayor Baste, Mayor. How is he po as an acting mayor in Davao?
For Baste, I think he's making good. And he's also very strict, especially with the garbage and everything, you know.
And who is the vice mayor po ngayon?
Rigo.
Si
Rigo. Yes, it's Rigo.
So
acting vice mayor. Yeah.
Ma'am, I don't know if na pag-usapan niyo sa loob, I think most likely hindi no kasi the prosecutors kasi, ma'am, I'm not gonna ask it. I'm not gonna ask it. No problem. No
politics.
Ikaw, ma'am, sorry about that. Ma'am, do you have a message to the Filipino people, ma'am?
Yeah, I think with what is happening in the Philippines, and I think you have also read the news.
Yeah.
I hope the Filipino would do something about it. You know, It is you. It is you, the massa. It is you, the citizen, who can do something. It's not us. It's not us. You. That's why I'm so happy that you are here. Talagang, we are grateful. We are grateful for you. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. May question ba kayo, guys?
Question to about din sila. You've been here for like kind of long time.
Yeah.
How are you, ma'am, here in the Netherlands, ma'am?
I want to go home.
How about the foods, ma'am? Dutch food, did you have a try it?
Okay. I'm okay with the food. I'm okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
I think yun lang yung... Meron pa bang question, guys? Nobody?
Ayaw lang
Yung
tawag ka.
yung ma'am, nabanggit na nyo ba kay tatagin yung yung event ay yung 19th sa
Napag-usapan niyo ba,
Oo,
ma'am?
nabanggit ko na you will have your rally July 19. I think that there will be also in the Philippines
Yes,
somebody
ma'am. Yes, correct.
Yeah, nabanggit ko talaga sa kanya. And he is happy. Pero sabi niya, wag na lang daw. Yun ang sabi niya.
We will
"Wag
never
na lang
stop
daw."
po talaga, ma'am.
So, then sabi ko, they won't stop. Sabi ko ganun sa kanya. Pero I think he has that acceptance already because he's talking about cremation. Then sabi niya, oh, now you have a witness. Sabi niya kasi nandun yung guardian. Now, whatever I wanted, you tell my children. Sabi ko, okay, sige. Okay lang ako ng okay. Wala nang
Thank you, Ma'am Elizabeth.
Ma'am, at saka one last question naman. I just want to say thank you din kasi last time, Big Sara was really telling about kung makalabas si Tatay Digo, he's welcome in your house.
Yes,
Yun
yes,
yung ano sabi.
yes. I told already my children about that beforehand. Sabi ko, beforehand, I have been saying to them that if that is also his choice. It's not my choice. Oh, kung gusto niya doon sa bahay ko, okay lang.
Oh, that's really nice.
Oh, yeah, no strings attached, no nothing.
Thank you, Ma'am Elizabeth. Ma'am, sorry for asking the political question. Hindi na mauulit, ma'am. Thank you po.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yan po yung naging pahayag ni Miss Elizabeth Zimmerman. No? Kapansin-pansin po sa pahayag niya na napaka ganda po nung pagdalaw niya kay former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. At makikita po natin sa kanya mismo na happy din po siya na makita po si former President. Kayo po mga opinyon, ano po ang masasabi nyo sa mga naging pahayag niya po? At comment nga po sa baba. Muli po, ako po ay nagpapasalamat sa ating mga manonood, sa ating mga subscriber. At kung kayo po ay hindi pa nagsusubscribe, please po, subscribe man. Sige po mga opinyon. God bless you all.